Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif said there was no doubt that Prime Minister Imran Khan was a criminal, adding that he was now shifting blame on the agents managing two US companies registered on the latter's orders in the PTI foreign funding case. A lawmaker of the opposition PMLN has informed the Islamabad High Court that the PTI government has promulgated 18 ordinances during the pendency of his petition filed against excessive residential ordinance. United States President-elect Joe Biden's decision to immediately ask Congress to offer legal status to an estimated 11 million people in the country has surprised advocates, given how the issue has long divided Democrats and Republicans, even within their own parties. Joe Biden will announce legislation on his first day in the office to provide a path to citizenship for millions of immigrants in the United States illegally. According to four people briefed on his plans, Senate Deputy Chairman Salim Manviwala announced that he would approach the European Union and other international human rights organizations against the violation of human rights by NAB. He also vowed to move a bill to stop the Bureau from character assassination of the people and arresting them at the inquiry stage. United States President-elect Joe Biden has inducted a second Pakistani American, Salman Ahmed, into his foreign policy team. Mr. Ahmed, who served as head of strategic planning in the Obama National Security Council, is joining the United States Department as Director Policy Planning. A day after a Pakistan International Airlines plane was impounded by Malaysian authorities due to a British court case over the aircraft's $14 million lease dispute, Aviation Minister Ghulam Sarwar Khan said that the national carrier did not pay the lease due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Talking to the reporters in Chak Beli Khan, the aviation minister said that CIA got the aircraft on lease in 2015, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the airline failed to pay the dues last year. In a major development, the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan has approved of AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use and was expected to register the Chinese state-owned firm Sinopharm's medicine next week. Gunmen shot dead two Afghan women judges working for the Supreme Court during an early morning ambush in the country's capital. Federal Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives Asad Umar said that the federal government would not hold a monopoly on the import of coronavirus vaccine, adding that province and the private sector were free to import vaccine subject to approval of the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. A heavy downpour frustrated Australia on day 2 of the fourth Test decider in Brisbane, with play abandoned after tea and India spared from resuming on 62 for 2 in reply to the home side's first innings of 369. This is the end of today's news. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like it, comment on it and share it, and also follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.